Welcome to our strawberry juice factory. Today, I'll take you on a journey to see exactly how fresh, delicious strawberry juice is made.
Watch your left side, coming through.
Clear on this side.
Bring the next pallet up.
Look at this spot here. Ah, yes, slightly soft. We should set it aside.
These look perfect.
Side.
Agreed. Agreed. The color is excellent.
Too green still. We must be careful with the ripe ones.
Water pressure is high on line 2.
Adjusting the flow rate now.
Looks stable, optimal levels achieved.
How many crates left for today?
About 20, I think.
Make sure these large ones are separated.
Esta está mala. Sácala.
Ok, yo veo otra por aquí.
Sorting accuracy is holding at 98% on line 3.
Confirmed. I'm seeing a slight dip on the west conveyor. Dispatching maintenance now.
Good.
Stray green one right there. Noted. I'll adjust the gate.
Check the flow rate on line 3. It's slowing down.
I see it. Adjusting the speed now.
The blade speed is holding steady. Okay. Good. The consistency levels look optimal now. We're clear.
Sample secured, ready for transfer.
Confirmed. Moving to the centrifuge next.
The morphology of this pulp is unusual at 40x magnification.
Let's cross-reference that with the mass spectrometry data on screen.
The flow rate is stabilizing now. Good. The clarity levels look optimal too.
The color saturation looks excellent on this batch.
Agreed. The bricks reading should be high.
We've analyzed the batch, and the data confirms stability. All readings are within spec.
Looks like a clear pass.
We're seeing a slight variance in the additive ratio.
Compensating now, it's holding steady at 200 RPM.
Optimal blend achieved.
Sample 4B red, checking viscosity now.
The data confirms the stability profile.
Agreed. The robotic analysis matches the microscope readout. Everything looks good for release.
Pasteurization ensures the safety and extends the shelf life of our strawberry juice.
The pressure gauge on panel 4 is reading low.
Confirmed. Increasing the temperature by 2 degrees now.
The temperature is holding steady at 72 degrees.
Good. Log that in the report, making sure we adhere to the critical limits.
I found a defect on this label.
All right, put it in the reject bin. We need to maintain quality control.
Is this the right spot for the shipment? Yeah, set it down right there.
Look at the print quality here. It's slightly misaligned.
Yes, but the liquid clarity is within tolerance.
Thank you for joining us on this journey through our strawberry juice production. Every bottle you enjoy is the result of careful craftsmanship and dedication from our entire team.